A new report shows the rate of men killing women in South Carolina continues to be above the national average. Advocates say that means South Carolina remains a dangerous place for many women to live.
State House reporter Mary Green has the details on a new effort that they're backing to protect more victims of domestic violence.
The South Carolina Coalition Against Domestic Violence and Sexual Assault, or SCADVASA, wants to see more law enforcement agencies across the state using a new tool. It aims to help victims of domestic violence get help and escape dangerous situations before they turn deadly.
They're the ones that are there. They're the ones who are at the scene right after something has happened or during when something has happened. And so they are the people sort of most equipped at that point to provide the help that might be needed.
SCADVASA wants more South Carolina law enforcement agencies to take part in what's called the Lethality Assessment Program.
It's really just increasing awareness of officers who are on the beat and giving them the tools that can help them make accurate evidence-based assessments of the potential dangerousness of a domestic violence situation.
Spartanburg Police Department has been using it for over a decade. When its officers respond to domestic violence situations, they fill out this form on their computers, which lists indicators that the situation could turn dangerous or even deadly. Questions like whether their perpetrator has ever tried to kill them, if they're unemployed, or if they own a gun.
If there's a firearm in the home, there's a domestic violence relationship, it makes it 5 times more likely that the woman will end up murdered.
If they say yes to enough of these questions, officers ask the victim if they want to connect with a local domestic violence advocate who can help get them to safety.
Sometimes it's so difficult for that person who is the victim to get out of that situation because they live with their assailant. And so what we want to try to do is give them an avenue, give them some services, to give them the courage to get out of the situation that they're in.
SCADVASA says this program is proven to work and comes at no cost to law enforcement, but the benefits can be life-saving.
We know by looking at our experience in law enforcement that sometimes these things don't end well, and we want to make sure that we don't have a victim that loses their life from another loved one.
According to the most recent data from 2023, more than 95% of female homicide victims in South Carolina knew the men who killed them.
And if you or someone you love is experiencing abuse, resources are available right here in the Midlands. Sister Care and Pathways to Healing both offer 24/7 services and counseling. The information about these organizations is on our website, WISTV.com.